wanna let me go, nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Henrietta Nubin, and today we're going to be doing a daily clean with me routine.
go blind.
Today I'm doing as much as I can around the house because me and my husband is going out today, and I am really proud of our marriage because we have dedicated to do something every single month, whether we're going to IHOP or going up the street or I'm going to work with him. We have been strongly consistent, but that does not isolate the fact that the work in the house must be done. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and leave a comment down below, like, what do you do on a monthly basis to keep yourself sustained in your relationship or for yourself? Because I know for a fact, like, if I'm not hanging out with my husband, I'm also thinking about what I'm gonna do for myself, and one of those things is keeping the house clean for my sanity.
For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind.
It's very rare if I was to clean up my whole house, and so today I am focusing on my daily routine and also downstairs only, because there's a huge chance that upstairs is clean, or if upstairs is clean, downstairs is dirty, or if downstairs is dirty, upstairs is clean. Like, you get what I'm saying? So it's like I attempted to clean up my whole house yesterday, and let me tell you, 6.5 hours of cleaning. Yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy that video that will be coming pretty soon. I think tomorrow it should be uploaded for tomorrow. Oh my god, I don't know how long that's gonna take, so I will keep you guys updated on that, because 6.5 hours clean up your house, like, what? I see videos when people be like cleaning up their house for an hour and their house is clean, and I'm like, how did you do that? Like, that's crazy for me. But for health reasons, to not stress yourself out or anything like that, just do like one day at a time. The house is not going anywhere. So what I would do is just downstairs today, upstairs tomorrow, or a major task on a third day. Just something every single day, so you could just be consistent, and it make you feel better. And that's the reason why I like and love cleaning videos, because I know that if your environment is not clean, your personality not clean, the way you dress is not clean, like it's very important. And I know that me cleaning videos helps me. I love doing cleaning motivation videos. I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom. Like, you better love it. Why you at home if you don't love it? So in this journey, I just want to be able to find people in the community that is like-minded like me, that like those kind of things. So I'm definitely like watching more videos. I'm only comfortable with watching, not saying something, but then I'm over here like, hey guys, leave a comment down below. And this is like video, I think 12, and it took me a long time to actually start talking, because I'm like, what am I supposed to say? And then I just imagine someone like me, like, hey, you're a woman, you are a wife, you got kids, you gotta go to work, you have a business, and you love cleaning videos, you're passionate about it. And that's why I'm on here, because I know that, like, my surroundings, they're not like me. And one of the first things I always do, if I can't relate to someone, I go straight to the internet. And so that's what my safe place is, and I'm striving for it every single day. Now, this morning my day didn't start off as I wanted it to be, because I did a grocery delivery for $210, and whoever was my driver did not deliver all my food. They only brought like $50 worth. And so I was on the phone with Walmart for like 10 minutes, and I had to be transferred and all sorts of things. But I'm just so glad they gave me my refund.
I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Ah! Hi, Marcella. How are you? Want cereal? I bought rainbow cereal. When I'm doing like my cleaning videos and family is at home, I do have to stop and feed my family, and I just recently started, including that in my videos. Like, if I have to stop and feed my family, include that. That's real life. This is no fake life. This is my life, and so I do like to include those things now. I'm feeding my husband, my toddler, and my teenager. They're definitely hungry, and they're so picky. So I do be making like 2 to 3 different meals every single day, just so everybody could be good.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the
I know you guys already seen me wash dishes, but I had to cook, and so I had to go back and wash dishes again. But this time I wasn't really caring about putting the dishes away. I was like, I don't always put my dishes away. Why do it just because I'm recording? So you guys will see those things in the sink or on the counter air drying, because I'm like, I'm tired. Let me move on. I really want to complete cleaning up the kitchen. I did the bedroom, I did the kitchen. I want to hurry up and finish my routine list, even though I have to continue to serve my family. And so I was like, okay, let me halfway do this part at least so I can move on, because that's when I start getting anxious, like, okay, I'm not finishing. And one of the things I want to do is anything I start, I want to finish, because in the past I'd be like, okay, it's tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start Monday, I'll start Sunday, right? Those tomorrow kind of people. And I don't want to be tomorrow. I want to have a clean lifestyle with food, cleaning, environment, people. And so real life, right?
down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
I'm so grateful for our stairs, but when I'm in the process of cleaning, I do not go up and down the stairs. I will put everything on the stairs. Once everything downstairs is completed, then I will bring stuff upstairs, and I make sure that my toddler helps me. I make sure my teenager helps me. So hey, this is still a team effort, even though mommy is doing some videos.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something.
I'm very pleased that I completed my daily to-do list because I know for a fact that will be bothering me when I have to run errands and stuff. But now I have a clear mindset because now I'm about to go hang out with my husband. So for my husband's birthday, I booked reservations for the Perry Steakhouse and also Zero Latency. It's like a VR place, virtual place, and we had so much fun. He was just smiling all day, and it was just so relieving and beautiful to have that environment. It felt like we was out of town because we did a fun activity. We were full, we was drinking and just having a good time, and it just felt like we're just young kids today. So thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.